Do something and allow us to live in a nice neighborhood.
It all started in 2009, a year after the Kerrs moved to Lexington County. They say what started out as a problem with an unmaintained yard soon turned into an unlivable environment because of one of their neighbors.
Over time, it's gotten worse and worse, and now the windows are falling out. The whole house is falling down. You can see the foundation, the wood through the bricks.
Carrie Kerr says she's reached out to the Code of Enforcement by phone and by email, sending pictures of the crumbling house. She asked that Code of Enforcement told her that, due to budget, the Seton Road house could not be torn down, but only boarded up.
We're taxpayers, so there's got to be room in there. I pay taxes. There's room in there somewhere. I can't sell my home. We have had it up for sale, and nobody will touch our house because of this over here.
But the wife and mother of three isn't all alone in her opinion. Lexington County Councilman Brad Matthews telling WACH Fox in an email that these types of homes are directly affecting the property values of those immediately surrounding them in a negative manner. I stand by my previous statements that one homeowner's property rights end where another begins, and in a neighborhood, whether with the homeowners association or not, there needs to be some type of restrictions for these abandoned, rundown properties. In 2012, council members introduced an ordinance to enforce property maintenance in all Lexington County districts, but the measure was shot down. Councilman Matthews says he plans to reintroduce the ordinance this summer in an effort to hold homeowners accountable for the upkeep of their properties.
Somebody, be over us. Somebody enforce these codes that we're building, our houses aren't falling down on top of each other.